One more time for Jack O'Reilly. That boy had some pipes on him. Bagpipes. He's Irish.
That's actually
There it
Scottish. There it is. Bagpipes are from Scotland, not Ireland.
We're gonna breeze past it. Our next performance comes out of a small island in the Caribbean, known for its beautiful mountains and its tropical weather, which, as my Haitians know, is why they have the best fruit in the world. The best fruit, the best.
I guess you could say Haiti is one in a melon.
Oh, there it is. There it is. One in a melon. Hey, give me some. No, that was nice, dude. Nice. One in a melon.
Okay, check this out. Haiti was the first Caribbean nation to gain independence. As well as the first black-led republic.
Nice. Yeah, give it up for them. Give it up for them. I kind of thought you were going to go a different direction with that, but...
Kane. Orange, you glad I didn't make a fruit pun?
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, lightning strikes twice. Eugenie, I have to give this to you. That was the best joke I ever heard in my life, folks. I mean, you have to do stand-up. You have to do stand-up.
You know, I just learned from the best, you know. But let's welcome to the stage the directors of Haiti to learn more about the nation, Love and Maya.
My name is Maya.
My name's Love.
As you know, we are representing Haiti. We are both from Port-au-Prince, which is the capital of Haiti, and we still have family there. We wanted to represent our country and our traditions that we grew up learning and understanding as kids.
Our dance represents women empowerment and confidence between individuals in Haiti. We wanted to include some compa and folklore dances with a little twist to it. We also just want to thank our dancers for joining our performance. We are so proud of you all.
As Love said, thank you for everyone working with us and bringing our vision into play. We love you all so much. We hope you enjoy our dance.
Sylvain Baga, yo changé. Cash up, cash up, cash up, cash up. Zel moment pépan. Vini pra ti mi Rive all Lamborghini J'ai une sous sa Camvé Bamele, full BBL Bamele J'ai une sous sa Camvé J'ai une sous sa Camvé